Hello friends, I am coming to you from a brand new angle on my phone. We're still working out the camera situation, but I will not be deterred from doing my weekly videos. This week I wanted to share just a really quick recipe with you. It's for a 15-minute one-pot pasta. I am just going to be making the sauce today because I don't want to have my pasta be soggy and have it setting. I'm making this for lunch as a meal prep, but it's gonna have chickpeas and broccoli and be nice and coconutty and lemony and creamy. And yeah, I just thought it would be cool to share it with you and do a quick little recipe. One pot if you want, or you could do like me and use it as a meal prep sauce and then just cook your desired pasta noodle once it's all ready to go. I'm going to be posting this recipe on Ko-Fi so you can see the ingredients and how much to put in by heading there. I also post a lot of art content and unique content that you're not going to find anywhere else on my social media, so be sure to follow me on there, and if you like what I do, buy me a coffee. I'm going to start this recipe off by adding all of my ingredients into the pan except for my veg. That's going to be my coconut milk, vegetable broth, chickpeas, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, seasoning as you see fit, and any other veggies you want to throw in there. If you're doing a one-pot meal and you're doing it all at once, throw your noodles in as well, because we're going to bring this to a boil and cook the noodles until they're almost finished. I definitely recommend adding whole grains and whole foods to your diet. If you're not already on a whole foods plant-based diet, then just try and add more to your diet. It'll make you feel better, and yeah, it's just good for you in the long run. Also, if you're able, try making your own vegetable broth from scratch, and let me know down in the comments if you would want to see something like that. Once your noodles are close to al dente and almost ready to be done, you'll add in any additional veggies like your broccoli, peas, or spinach, whatever makes your heart happy, and let those cook through as well. Alright y'all, so my broth didn't turn out as thick as I wanted it to. It's a little thin, so I'm going to add some flour in and make a slurry, and that way when it cooks up while I'm reheating it, I'm making some now, it will be thicker and creamier. Of course, having this pasta with broth and treating it like a soup is also good, so do it either way. I just wanted something thicker. And you can set it aside, chill it until you need it later, or just enjoy it now. Like I said, this is a quick and easy recipe. It's so tasty and delicious, and if you want to be able to make it, check my Ko-Fi. Thank you for joining me for this video. Definitely let me know if you've tried this pasta or what kind of substitutes you would make, what your favorite veggies are to put in your pasta. And be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more veganism and travel content, and comment down below with any recipes that you suggest or any special locations you would like to see while I'm still in California before I make my way over to Japan. Next week, I'm going to be taking the suggestion that someone gave me on my most recent video, which I will link up above, and make some Scooby snacks for y'all. So definitely join me for that as we make not only a people-friendly snack, but a dog-friendly snack. This is going to be a true Scooby snack. You'll be able to share it with your furry friend as you see fit. But for now, thank you for joining me for this video, and eat well, travel often. I'll talk to you later.